Strong basics means the base has to be strong. So we are working on that. Practice makes you master. My name got recorded in the India Book of Record.
Hello and a very warm welcome to Great Principles. I am Seema Choria and I bring to you another exciting episode on Great Principles today. Our today's episode is sponsored by our Total School Ka Dost and Jeevan Deep academic partner. So mathematics, the biggest dreaded subject by all of us. So it seems like, a nightmare to many of the students. Math has a widespread reputation of for being the subject most hated. It's not uncommon to hear, I hate maths. I don't want to do maths. It's really very, very hard for me. I can't do it. Today on Great Principle, we bring to you a mathematician who will make you fall in love with the subject using traditional technical tools of China and India. I'm so filled with admiration to be in conversation with such an illustrious personality, Mr. Rahat Arora, Principal, Strong Basic Institutes Academy, Amritsar. With teaching experience of 17 years and specialized field of abacus, Mr. Arora has created magic math genius who have lightning calculation speed, and you will be in awe meeting his students who can rightly be called human calculators. He just doesn't teach facts and figures, he teaches with passion and love. He spent time and energy making sure that each and every children or each and every student can not only perform to the best of their ability, but also enjoy performing calculation. Mr. Rahat Arora has set many records for his work in promoting abacus and Vedic math. Just as meritorious record at Royal Success International Book of Records, optimal mentor in the India Book of Records, Gem of India for promoting Indian education and social activities, and the Special Mentor Award in spreading education of abacus and Vedic math for the past 16 years amongst a host of other recognition and awards. So I'm so thrilled to be in conversation with this mathematician, and I'm sure today's episode is going to clear a lot of ambiguity which is around abacus, about Vedic maths, and definitely you will fall in love with numbers. So without any delay, let's meet Mr. Radha. Welcome to Great Principles, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's pleasure mine pleasure to be here with you and interacting the public also. Thank you.
So before we begin, sir, our career choices are very much dependent upon our childhood days, our school life. So we would like to know something about your childhood days, school life, and your career in the world of numbers.
Well, I was very introvert in school days, but gradually all things change, and like we say, time flies. So now these days I'm more socialite and extrovert person, meeting the new people, new connection, and sharing my views, thoughts with everyone. And because people also encourage and motivate in the education line these days, because education is that element in the life which grooms you up, which makes your personality more better than the previous one, I can say. And this is the only thing that I love the most in education field. That's it.
राहत सर, जब आप स्टूडेंट थे आपके स्कूल डेज में, आपका मैथ कैसा था?
Was average actually. मेरा maths average था. Teacher से काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला. I learned many things from my mentors, and really I feel blessed to be the part of the school from where I had my schooling done. So the credit goes to the teacher always.
So an average student in math today making human calculators. Wow, that is
Yeah.
incredible. So a little light on your journey. How did you master your skills in math and started mentoring others?
Well, coming up to that point, in the year 2004 only, I started this program in Amritsar, and it was like I got certain contacts, and when I came into the learning part, then I thought of why not to spread this education to the students, to the coming generations also, and it was a big turn when we educated the 13 students in the year 2004, and was for in a year only. And I just, when the students learn this process of abacus and calculation, then they generated it mouth to mouth ad. They show their calculations to n number of people in their line, and this how we generated this thing. And um, talking about myself, if I tell you about myself, so the when I actually learned this, even my personality groomed up through this. Even I came to know a big change in my own personality.
Definitely, sir. When you start speaking the language of numbers, you are extremely confident. It gives you that inner boost from within that, yes, I can challenge anything.
Right, perfectly, yes.
All right, sir. So, sir, now coming to Strong Basic Institutes. So, what is the philosophy of Strong Basic Institutes and what makes it unique?
Well, the name itself defines. Strong basics means the base has to be strong. So we are working on that since 2004, as I told you. So our main motive is to make the base of the education in the kids' life strong. And this is only through these courses we are dealing with.
All right. So here, sir, we would like to know the courses which are going on in Strong Basic Institutes. What all are the courses there?
Definitely, I would like to put a light on that part also. We have abacus, we have Vedic maths, we have coaching classes also going on. Being an interior designer also, I teach drawing skills and sketching, calligraphy also, and spoken English. And that's also UK accent. I deal with that.
All right. Okay. So complete, an umbrella which will groom you, not only in your mathematical skills. In fact, it will also help you in your English and sketching and drawing skills, and ultimately, help you to build your personality. So going ahead to your core, the abacus and math part. So what is the importance of mathematics first? आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे सर कि हमें मैथ में अपना फाउंडेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग क्यों बनाना चाहिए, इस सब्जेक्ट का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, और ये जो मैथ का फोबिया है लोगों के अंदर, हम इसको कैसे ओवरकम करें?
Practice. It is all to do practice. Once you do practice in any of the field you are working in, you will groom yourself. No, you don't need anybody to guide you in certain time. All things require some practice. Like the saying, practice makes masters. The old saying was the practice makes man perfect. Now it's practice makes you master. So just need to do the mastery in any subject, in any line, you need practice. That's it.
So, sir, what importance does math carry in daily life?
Well, playing with numbers, everything is inclusive. Numbers, subjects, calculation, accounts, commerce, everything needs numbers. So numbers are connected in every field. And talking about maths, what is maths all about? It's the mother of all subjects. If your maths is strong, your all subjects automatically will become stronger.
Absolutely, sir. You rightly said it's everywhere. Even if you are in kitchen, it's not only about students, it's also about everyone. Even if you're cooking, you need to know the ml, you need to know the quantity. If I have these many quantities, and if I want to make recipe for many people, so how do I multiply the given quantity? So yes, even if you're shopping or anything, I mean, when you are planning, everywhere you're budgeting, everywhere you need math. Definitely, sir. But now again, I have a doubtful question. Why do I need to learn mathematics skill when I have calculator in my pocket?
Wow, good question. Do you have gadgets, mobile, calculator every time in your pocket? I don't think so. So why not to become a human calculator at this certain age? When you are in a learning age and your brain is getting processed, it's getting generated through that process, then why we need the calculators. Have you heard about Shakuntala Devi? She's a human calculator as such. She's a big example for the world. So we should follow some certain personalities like her, who has shown us the way out, who has guided us in the like how to play with the numbers in a quick method.
So, but we still need to give some strong argument to our children, when they say, Mama, I have mobile, I sleep with mobile, I wake with mobile, I have calculator there. So why? So here, what are the other benefits of abacus?
Well, talking about the benefits, it's improved the concentration level, that is low in the kids. It improves the memory, for which we take a lot of medicines also as such available in the market. It improves your speed, which we lag behind sometimes. Paper is of 3 hours. We leave some paper because of the short of time. Then it improves your confidence level. You can carry yourself in any of group in public area. You know how to carry yourself. It improves your confidence level. And the most important thing, recalling abilities. When someone is calling you and you don't know the answer, you ask the person, please repeat it. So it is like recall that. So your memory is learning, your that thing is getting set in your memory. So abacus is, that's what I'm saying. The abacus is a complete brain development program. It is grooming your brain skills internally. It is channelizing your skills internally.
So wonderfully explained here that it's not only about improving your mathematics skill. In fact, it is about developing your brain, boosting your concentration, your memory, your recall value, and everything. So abacus is a tool that will enhance your memory power.
Yes, certainly.
Going ahead, so we parents, we are always in this ambiguity. Abacus कराएं कि Vedic maths कराएं. There is
Exactly.
always this discussion on group. तुम क्या कराने वाले हो? Difference क्या है दोनों में? That's how it goes on.
Well, I do have the answer for that question also. Abacus is for the age group 6 to 12 years old. It's a minimum age group to learn the abacus. Well, if we talk about Vedic maths, 13 years above, the students who comes in the teenage or so on. Your age group can also, if I have learned Vedic maths, anybody can learn Vedic maths, but the age limit is minimum 13 onwards. Before that, the child is not able to learn Vedic maths because certain calculations, certain methods and formulas which being taught to the child, he won't able to grasp it. Why the method of the sum is being made like that, what formula we require to solve the sum, that is actually being taught in the certain age, and that is 13 years above. And before that, you can channelize yourself in the terms of abacus to make your speed grow, to groom yourself.
Okay, so to all the parents out there, I think today sir has explained us and clear all the ambiguity around. So अगर आपका बच्चा छोटा है in the age group of 6 to 13, give him a strong foundation by enrolling him in abacus, and to further enhance his skill, enroll him in Vedic maths. So it is for the grown-ups, and we can name it, like foundation is done by abacus, and then the basic, the further levels are done by Vedic maths. So today we are very much clear. So now here, which is better? Like, if I say that, all right, my son is 14 years old now, so he has not done abacus. So will Vedic maths still help him?
Well, abacus and Vedic maths are different programs. As I said earlier, we have different age group. And if the child is 14 years above, well, I will highly recommend those kids Vedic maths only, not the abacus. Right, because investing your time and your money on the abacus at the age of 14 is worthless. You should go for Vedic maths at that time of age.
Does Vedic math also supports us, when a child has done the course, does he also get an edge in the competitive exams?
Definitely, because Vedic maths is always coming up with the one-line answers. You have the mathematical calculations, like if I say you have figure of 9999 multiplied by 9999. So answer would be 99980001. You can check right now.
Wow, that's wonderful. All right, so definitely it gives you an edge when you are appearing for other competitive exams, because your mind is trained that way. You can calculate faster.
Right.
So now, when can children start learning abacus, and what are the pros of starting this program at an early age?
Well, 6 to 12 years, minimum 6, maximum 12. And the prawns is, like, can say, as I told you, it has a lot of benefits. It builds confidence, your memory, your speed, your concentration level, all. It's all beneficial program. It has no loss for the kid.
So, my daughter, she started abacus when she was in first standard and at the age of 6. So, what difference I could sense is that since she was not aware of higher calculations, she was using abacus, and other kids, they were doing mentally. So, does this also, have some relation there?
Yes, yes, why not? See, this is abacus. You cannot carry this abacus everywhere at any time. But your this thing fits in your brain. You can imagine the beads. And when you like if you ask like 1, 9, 3, 2, 5, the answer is 20. You get immediately the answers. So this is a big change in the child. You come to know like, yes, if my child is doing abacus and by completing certain levels, she or he gets imagination power so strong, you can ask any sum, any lengthy sum also. She will be able to answer you. But the thing is through practice. If a child does practice 5 minutes daily, your child is getting energy inside. Like we have food, we have meal, we have energy for full day. This abacus is the energy for the brain.
Wow, just 5 minutes and so many advantages there.
Exactly. Per day, 5 minutes practice is required.
So people just invest your 5 days and see 5 minutes, sorry, and see how your child performs brilliantly. And yes, when you start at an early age, you have the more bandwidth, so that the child can
Exactly.
practice
Because
more.
that time the child is fresh, his
Right.
brain is fresh. So we can groom the child at the early age of 6 years.
Right. So all the parents out there whose kids are at 6, go and enroll in this wonderful program. Just 5 minutes of practice and see the difference. So going ahead, sir, yeah, there are so many accomplishments, so many achievements and recognition awarded to you.
Thank
Which is
you.
your proudest one, sir? Of
Um, my most proudest one is the my name got recorded in the India Book of Record. That
course.
is the most important I feel because that was the very first one I received. After that, there was numerous of. You can see this also. This one. Was the event I couldn't attend by somehow any condition was in Delhi, and I got for the leadership principal award over there.
Mhm.
But the best one I count for myself is the India Book of Record so far.
Definitely, sir. Getting your name engraved in a book of records is a big achievement. So,
Exactly.
going ahead, sir, on this note, and very congratulations to you. Your hard work has made you get that. So, going ahead, sir, we reached to the very interesting segment of the show. This is called rapid fire round.
Okay, great.
That's ready. You have to answer in one word only.
Sure.
All right. So, here we start. How long does it take for a child to learn mental math?
Okay, after 5 months.
5 months. All right. At what age can children start learning abacus?
Minimum 6 to maximum 12.
Is it true that learning abacus can improve concentration?
Definitely. That is what we are working on.
Absolutely. If a child has been A plus student in math, will learning abacus still improve his math skills?
Exactly. It will improve. It will feel more confidence.
Right? Does the child get any homework when he is enrolled in class?
Definitely. There is nothing without any worksheets. Homework is must to be connected with the subject every time.
So this was about this rapid fire round. Answer brilliantly. We got a lot of insights in one word. Now, sir, do parents need to sit with children when they are doing homework?
See, these days online classes are going on, so yes, parents have to sit along with the student to guide them properly. But somehow, when we have the physical classes going on over here, this is our responsibility to guide the kids and parents as well, because parents, this is the right for the parents to know about the program they are sending the child for. This is a right for them. So as per my knowledge, yes, parents are they should sit with the students.
All right, sir. So beyond playing with numbers, sir, what else do you do and what are your hobbies in sports and how do they help you?
Okay, well, I'm not such a sporty person, but yes, in the childhood I was very much keen for the badminton. Couldn't place much because of my I was having a short of time. But yes, I'm an artistic person also, so my more impact is on the paintings and all. I love doing dance and all, and this is how I spare my good time.
All right. So he's a dancer, a mathematician, a painter, and definitely a person with an artistic edge. So no doubt, sir, your brain, both the brains left and right are working together now. The creative
Right,
side
right.
and the technical side, both are working together.
Exactly. You're very true for that.
All right. So this brings to me to the last question of the show. Just this is also called viewers' choice question, sir. Will a child get confused between abacus math and school math? Can this program help children who have been struggling in school with the subject math?
See, mathematics in the school being taught with the detailing, and that is a very good thing. It should be. And abacus is helping the child to check out the answers in that way. If you have a problem sums and you are being asked to solve the problem sums in certain method, that method is also say it is useful method, and it is a long run. You know the detailing because at any point, if you've been asked like how you have solved the sum, can you please explain me, over there the school maths comes, and we should appreciate the school maths more. And coming towards the abacus, it is helping us to check the answers in certain time. You can easily calculate the answers, you get the answers correct, your answers done, and you're filled so much confidence like yes, I have done good job, I have no sudden mistakes in my work.
Yeah, and as mentioned earlier, also along with the accuracy, the children also get the confidence that they are doing the work in a, it boosts their speed. So they get very much needed speed, and at times people complain that my paper time was over and I couldn't complete my math paper because of my poor speed.
Yes, we have certain activities in this program which grows the speed and fills the confidence level of the child. We have a lot of, activities going on. Like we have speed writing, we have random calling going on. We work with the two hands also as well. So this all brings a big change in the student. And yes, we are at the moment we are working with international kids so far, like US, Canada, even New Zealand, Germany, Hong Kong. These all people are learning abacus these days online. So we are happy serving them in the right way.
So now, sir, my last question to you, since this is a wonderful technique and wonderful tool to enhance mathematics skills, so why not it has been incorporated in school syllabus itself?
Very good question. See, school has certain time limit, the periods going on. They cannot involve, they cannot touch those periods over there. I've been to a school over there, and they just told me that we cannot include this as a subject because we don't have any time period. We have all the periods fixed, like 40 minutes each period. So this can become in the zero period, that is called the assembly period also. But somehow we cannot make it compulsory for the students because it is on the interest of the child. If the child is feeling good interest and connected with the mathematics, the child will get very fast speed. And if the child is not very much connected with mathematics, obviously he will take more time to learn the method, the formulas, whatever connected with the abacus course. So that is why it cannot be involved in the curriculum of a school. So
Right. So
that's why we are making a part of private institutes and serving the education in this way.
right, because I think this course is like continuous course, which is based on levels, and children need to practice.
Yes.
And you rightly said, sir, school have already the huge syllabus to be completed on time, and then adding this additional is definitely not. They cannot make it a mandate to make this subject compulsory and that you have to opt for. But yes, we are seeing a drastic change here, and yes, in Mumbai, Pune, many schools are signing up with these programs, and they
It's
have
very
put up.
good. If school understands, if their management understands about the program, this is beneficial for school kids only. And their obviously their results will be enhanced and the name of the school will be highlighted.
This was Mr. Rahat Arora. It was really great to have you, sir. Today, all our ambiguities cleared about Vedic math, abacus, and yes, the old traditional techniques definitely make wonders in student. So parents out there, viewers out there, go ahead, enroll in this wonderful program. And if you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to sir. He will ensure that all your doubts are clear and you can also play with numbers as he does.
Thank Thank you so much for making a part of your great principal. I have been honored. I mean, what can I say? I'm speechless at the time. It's my pleasure being here with you. Thank you so much.